Alright, here's a quick recap of the first problem on this page. I was interrupted by someone yelling outside the door. It says, using this diagram, label the various angle relationships and write and solve an equation to find angle A. So angle A is what we're looking for. I circled that. I said most of the stuff you need to know is that they're vertical angles. Here's my intersection. If I just look at those two lines and the angles they make, 42 is vertical to this guy up here, so this guy's also 42 degrees. If I look at these two, they make two vertical angle pairs, but one of them goes from 47 up there down to 47 down here. So I've labeled already two of my other angles. It wants to know angle A, so what I said is, hey, let's ignore this stuff over here and look at that straight line segment. If I have a straight line, all these three angles on top there are going to add up to 180. So angle A plus 42 degrees plus 47 degrees adds up to 180. 42 and 47 is 89. And then I subtract 89 on both sides, and we're left with angle A equals 91 degrees. That's all it's asking for. But hey, if angle A is 91 degrees, then ignoring this line down the middle, angle B must be 91 too. Alright, this guy says, using the diagram, we've got to find angle C. That's what it really wants us to find. Alright. Angle A, angle B, angle C. It says that these two angles, A and B, make a 90-degree angle. So those are complementary angles, A and B. That means angle A, if they have to add a 90, 50 plus 40. So angle A is 40 degrees. If this is a 90-degree angle, then this guy over here, since it makes a straight line with this 90 degrees, that one's also 9 degrees. And this guy here, if I ignore this little ray coming out, this 40 is going to be vertical over here, so it's 40 degrees over here. Now all I'm missing is angle C. All of these guys together, since they go all the way around, there's no more gaps except for angle C. We should add a 360. So angle C plus 40 plus 50 plus 90, and really I could have just written that all as 180 because that whole thing is 180, plus another 40 degrees. All adds up to, I've run out of space. I'm going back over here. All equals 360. So 180 plus 40 is 180 and 40 is 220. Oh man, my shorthand is getting messier. 360 minus the 220 is 140. There we go. That's it. This one's just asking you which equation can be used to help find this angle J right here. Well, this is interesting because it assumes, like, I would do it in two steps. I would first find out what this angle is. 180 minus 125 is right there, which is 55 degrees. And then I got 55 plus 90, plus angle J equals 180. So I know that x plus 90 plus 55 equals 180. I'm going to pretend I'm just solving, and then at some point I'm going to see if any of these match up. Right now nothing really matches. I see a 90, I see a 55, I see a 125. None of those are exactly this, though. My thinking is it might be that, because what happens if I combine my similar terms on this side? 90 and 55 is 145. And that's it. You can keep going if that's not it. You can see if there's anything else that would be exact, but that's that. And finally, we have this guy right here. We're determining the value of angle F. So I know from experience, 45 plus 45, that means I got a 90-degree angle up here. But if you need to write yourself an equation saying, hey, I'm going to call this x. X plus 45 plus 45 equals 180. That makes 90. And I subtract my 90 and I get x equals 90. If that's the way you need to find this, go for it. And then I notice that F this guy and 50 all together make a straight line. So 90 and 50 is 140. So to find angle F, whatever angle F is, plus 140 equals 180. And the closest thing we got is down here. They called it X. I already had used X, so I just didn't write it up there. And that's that.